Pressure washing and soft washing are some of the many tools that we use at Immaculate SoftWash. Here's why soft washing is our preference. When it comes to restorative cleaning on hard surfaces and getting deep into broken materials and rotten wood, pressure washing can be a very effective measure. Soft washing also has its benefits. Soft washing is the secret that many other cleaning companies don't know. We utilize the use of environmentally safe chemicals to clean your home. This is especially powerful for roofs, as their structure is very sensitive. Soft washing will clean your roof good as new without the risk of damage. Immaculate SoftWash does it all. We don't just offer soft washing, we also offer pressure washing and power washing services. We have the tools, the experience, and the know-how to clean almost any surface. We use environmentally safe tools to keep you and your family safe. All of our work is 100% guaranteed. We also offer discounts for veterans and current military. Soft washing is soft enough on window panes, painted surfaces, pool enclosures, decks, fences, gutters, and more. The best part is that it's completely safe for your family, the environment, and your pets. Contact us today for a no-cost quote. We look forward to speaking with you. Call or text us at 407-489-0907 to book an appointment in Central Florida today.